0005 Arbordale padlock renovation. Doorbell button's broke. As you can see, appears the previous tenant ripped up all the flooring, broke it, along with the trim on the wall. It's all going to need to be replaced. Unit's going to need to be fully painted. It's not our color right now. Majority of the ceiling is going to need painted as well. It's a large trash out. Furniture, clothes, household goods, weights, carpeting, flooring. Cracked window pane needs to be replaced. Another cracked window pane needs to be replaced. We need to replace all the blinds. It's a total of 9. Either broken, missing, or dirty. Refrigerator and freezer okay. It needs to be cleaned up. Stove has everything. It needs to be cleaned. Some tile and the kitchen countertop is missing. It also has cracks. It needs to be checked out and repaired. Seen the water leak. AC filter is dirty. Needs to be changed out. A hole in the bathroom door. Needs to be repaired or replaced. Several of the towels either torn or missing in the bathroom. Needs to be checked out and repaired. Missing toilet paper roller, replaced. Seats broken, replaced. Bathtub's gonna need to be recaulked. Possible water stains on the ceiling. The ceiling's gonna need to be painted as well. Carpet was ripped up in this bedroom as well. It appears the previous tenant threw paint on the walls. More furniture. Another fist-size hole in the door. Needs to be repaired or replaced. All the smoke detectors and carbons have been taken down. They need to be replaced. More wooden laminate has been ripped up. More carpet's been ripped up. Paint smeared on the wall. And the closet's missing a shelf and a hanger rod. It needs to be replaced. More possible water stains in the ceiling. Need to be checked out, repaired, and repainted. More paint thrown on the walls. And on the carpet as well. Ammunition laying on top of the closet. Needs to be disposed of properly.